Hello friends, this video on surface area and volume part 5 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 4. The question says from a solid cylinder, there is a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 meter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. A conical cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out. We have to find surface area of the remaining solid in centimeter square. This is the typical example. This is the solid one. Please understand this is solid. Since it is solid, when I say this is a figure, this is formed of actually one cone and one cylinder. So this is a solid cylinder. First thing is solid cylinder. So we have to take surface area of this, surface area of this and surface area of this, all three. That is, we have to take the curved surface area plus we have to take the base surface area also. Correct? Now, from this area is gone, is hollowed out, and in this cone is inserted actually. So that means we should not take this now. This area is the top one. Why? Because this is a hollow now. Since it is a hollow, this is gone. On this, we have put this. Now, so for this, what do you take? We have to take curved surface area of this cylinder. We have to take the base surface area of this cylinder. Why? Because it's solid. It is not hollow, it is solid. Since it is solid, it has some surface area. Plus, we have to take the surface area of this core. And this part is all hollow here. From here it's all hollow. It's all air. So I'll put the air part. This is all area. This is air. The red one in red is all air. And the one in white is all solid part. So we will not take the air. So we will write here surface area of figure is nothing but surface area of cylinder, the curved surface area plus surface area of base of cylinder plus surface area. See, if you are given one solid cylinder like this and we are told to find the surface area of this, it will be surface area of the curved surface plus surface area of this circle, surface area of this circle. That is the total surface of this solid cylinder. Correct? Here this part is gone, here we have put this. So in this case, you see the surface area will be surface area of this curved surface plus surface area of the base and surface area of the. Now let's see if we have the data. To find surface area of cylinder, we need R and H. We have R, that is, I'll write here for cylinder. R is, radius is 1.4 by 2 because diameter is 1.4. 1.4 by 2 is, I'll write 1.4 by 2. Correct. And height is 2.4 meter. For cone, I need R and L because the formula is pi RL. R is again 14.2 by 2 and L is something which we don't know the value of. So let's first find the value of L for the cone. We'll do it here in this area. So we know that L is nothing but root of R square plus H square. Or we can see also in this right triangle, this is H, this guy is H, this is R and this is L, it's length height. This is a right triangle, so L will be root of H square plus R square. Correct? So this will be root of R is for 1.4 by 2, that is 0.7 square plus H is 2.4 square. This becomes root of 0.49 plus 0.576. So this becomes root of 5.76. So this becomes root of 6.25. And this is nothing but 2.5 centimeter. So we know L also. L is 2.5 centimeter. So we know all the values now. Now let's just put the value. Surface area of cylinder is nothing but 2 pi RH. Slant height of base area of cylinder is pi r square. But surface area score is pi r. Let's put the value. 2 into pi into r is 0.7 into 2.4. Since it is 0.7, so let's break only. We'll solve here only. Why to complicate thing? Last pi is 22 by 7. R is 0.7 into 0.7 plus 22 by 7 into R is 0.7 and L is 2.5. This and this cancel. This becomes 0.1. This cancel, it becomes 0.1. This and this cancel, this becomes 0.1. Correct? So if you solve this, this is nothing but this comes out to be 22 into 244 into 0.1 is 4.1, 4 into 24, 2.4 plus 22 into 0.1 is 2.2 into 7 plus 22 into 0.1 is 2.2 into 20, 2.5. So if you solve this, 4.4 into 2.4 becomes 10.56 plus 2.2 into 0.7 actually, right? Is 0.7? Yeah, 2.2 into 0.7. Correct? So this becomes 1.54 and 2.2 into 2.5 becomes 5.5. So if you add this, this becomes 17.6. Since we're talking about centimeters, talking about surface area, so this becomes centimeter square. Hope you understood what we have done. We have broken this figure into cone and cylinder. We found this was a solid cylinder, so we are supposed to take this area also, base area also into consideration because it is a solid cylinder. And then we got this cone. This is hollow, so we ignored this part because this area, base area, is not to be taken because this is hollow now. Correct? It's hollowed out. So we took this area, the cylinder area, and the area of the cone. We'll take one more example. This is the last example of the surface area problem. The question says a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder. So here also it is solid cylinder. So we should take the base area also. But if you see this, this is hollowed out. The blue is hollow, all hollow. So this to base area which we are thinking to take is all gone now. So we can't take. Correct? If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, this guy is 10, and the base radius is 3.5. So this becomes 3.5, and this is also 3.5. Correct? We have to find total surface area of the article. It's very simple question. So if you see this question, what we are doing is, in this question, we are having this cylinder. From this cylinder to this hemisphere is hollowed out. You just subtract this two hemisphere from the cylinder and we get the area. Very simple. So here in this case, the surface area of figure will be equal to surface area of cylinder plus 2 into surface area of hemisphere. Correct? Why? Because if you take the cylinder, then you have to take the surface area of the hemisphere, this area. Other area is all hollow. This is the figure actually, if you see. See the actual figure that becomes is like this. This is the actual figure. So here if you see, this is the hemisphere, this is the hemisphere, and this is the cylinder. Other things are all hollow. So if you want, I can solve also, you can also solve. So this becomes 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi R square. Correct? So if you put all the values here, 2 into pi into R is 3.5, H is 10 plus 2 into pi into 3.5, sorry 3.5 square. So if we solve this, this becomes 70 pi plus 49 pi. Total becomes 119 pi, and if we make this 199 pi into 22 by 7 cancel, then what you get is 374. So this is centimeter, talking about area, so this is centimeter square. Correct? So the total area of this is 374 centimeters. Very simple question. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.